Hello children. Today in this video we will continue gerund. This is for standard 7. We were continuing non-finite verb. Last week in the last class you got videos of non-finite verb participle and infinitive and also the what is non-finite and what is finite verb, all the examples. So in this video we will discuss the third kind of non-finite verb, because non-finite verbs we know three kinds. One is participle, one is infinitive, and this one is gerund. So what is gerund? A gerund is a kind of non-finite verb which look like verb but walks like a noun. Like in case of participle, we have seen participle walks like an adjective. Infinitive sometimes walks like noun, sometimes walks like adjective or adverb. And gerund will always work like a noun and it ends in ing. It ends in ing means verb plus ing it will be. Now see some examples with red highlighted words. I love teaching the children. Now teach is the verb, ing teaching. Okay, so if I question, see in this sentence I is the subject, love is the verb which is called finite verb or the main verb. Teaching, I love what? I love teaching. So teaching is functioning like a noun. Similarly, if I write, I love chocolate. Chocolate is a noun. I love apple. Apple is a noun because it is a name of a fruit. I love my mother. My mother is a noun. Similar way, I love teaching. Teaching is a noun. So teach plus ing, that is verb plus ing. So it is a gerund because gerund will form with verb plus ing and will function like a noun. Similar thing, singing is a good art. Sing plus ing. What is a good art? Singing. Playing chess is her hobby. What is her hobby? Playing chess is her hobby. So playing is a gerund. We cannot live without eating. We cannot live without what? Eating. So eating is a gerund or functioning, which is functioning like a noun. Like if I say we cannot live without food. We cannot live without our parents. So food is a noun. Parents is a noun. Similar way, eating is also noun. We stopped talking. Talking is a gerund because it is like a noun. We stopped what? Talking. He is fond of playing. He is fond of chocolate. He is fond of his teacher. So similar way, he is fond of playing cricket. So playing is a gerund, play plus ing, which is functioning as noun. So I hope you understood these examples. Now to understand it in better way, I have written some more examples, children. You see, follow these examples. See the below example to understand how gerund works like a noun. Already in these example, previous examples, I told you how it works like a noun. Here you see. You see, Ram is good. Who is good? Ram is good. Ram is a noun. Similar way, reading is good. What is good? Reading is good. So the way Ram is functioning as a noun, similar way reading. I love Ram. I love reading. So if Ram is a noun, reading is also noun. It is same kind of use. My friend is Ram. My habit is reading. Okay, my friend is who? Ram. My habit is what? Reading. I am fond of Ram. I am fond of reading. I am fond of what? Ram. Ram is a noun. Then I am fond of reading. Reading is also noun. So these examples, remember, this ing one is gerund. And this Ram, every time Ram is the name of a boy. So it is obviously noun. So in place of Ram, I have used the gerunds, verb plus ing. That is the word reading, read plus ing. So they have functioned just like Ram is functioning as a noun. So they are gerund. Now, gerund and present participle. You may get confused and you may ask that gerund also verb plus ing and present participle, what we have done previous in the previous video, there also present participle is verb plus ing. Then how to understand whether the word which is written with verb plus ing is gerund or present participle? Children, it is very easy because gerund functions like noun and present participle functions like adjective. Both gerund and present participle look alike, form a verb with ing ending, but the gerund functions like a noun while the present participle functions like adjective. Now see the example. He kept me waiting. Now present participle functions as adjective means it tells something about a noun or pronoun. So see, he kept me waiting. Now this waiting is a present participle. Why? It is not a gerund because it is telling something about me. I waited. He kept me waiting. Who waited? I. Me. So me waiting is telling about me, which is a pronoun. So waiting is a present participle. But you see the second one. I don't like waiting. Same word. Wait plus ing. Here I don't like what? I don't like you, suppose. I don't like Ram. So Ram is a noun. You is a pronoun. Similar way, waiting is a noun. So it is a gerund. So in this case, waiting is present participle. In this case, waiting is gerund. Now coming to the next example. Laughing is good for oneself. What is good for oneself? Laughing. So laughing is obviously gerund. It is not telling something about any noun or pronoun. It itself working as a noun. So it is gerund. But next sentence, his laughing eyes. See, eyes is the noun. What kind of eyes? Laughing eyes. So this laughing is telling something about eyes. So here this second laughing is functioning like an adjective. So this has become present participle, whereas the previous laughing is a gerund. Coming to one more very important point, that is gerund and infinitive. Both gerund and infinitive function like noun. We know gerund functions like noun. And infinitive, when we discussed, if you have forgotten, again you go back to that infinitive video, that is second video of this chapter, to understand, to remember, to recall infinitive. So infinitive also functions like noun. It functions other than noun also. It functions like adjective or adverb, but it functions like noun. So what happens, as both functions like noun, we can replace each other. That means, suppose cooking is an art. Here cooking is gerund. If I want, I can replace cooking, that is cook plus ing, which is a gerund functioning as a noun, can be replaced with to cook, which is a infinitive. Cooking is an art, to cook is an art. Now this example, forgiving someone is divine. What is divine? Forgiving. So forgiving is a gerund. But if I want, I can replace forgiving with to forgive, which is an infinitive. So what is the point of this? This part, the point is we can replace each other in sentence. We can replace gerund into participle, participle into gerund. This is one more point. So this message is gerund. When we will do exercise, you will understand it better. Thank you.